Hey everybody, we just heard about this place on the news. A little air show here.
The weather is rising, the thunder and lightning seem to be having their way. But as far as I'm concerned, it's a lovely day. Oh, that thing over there in the trash. I'm trying to play with the volume here.
Wow.
1, 2. Maybe this is probably where they had the World War I fly-in we missed last year.
Probably.
That's where the guy said it was at Springfield Airport and moved it here. Looks like this used to be an actual airport at one time.
Yeah, I think it kind of still is.
I mean, with commercial jets.
Oh, look at those over there.
Yeah, all kinds of jets. I'm on the board that I'm sharing about to go to Henry Ford's film.
That's pretty cool. You can walk right up to them.
Yeah, first time I thought I'd seen this, I thought it was the World War I flying. They moved it over here or something.
Huh. That's a little pedal car. Whee. That's pretty cool.
Here, let's come look at this airplane. Amelia, do you remember what this kind of engine is? Hey, stop! Rotary. No, I didn't want to.
I think stainless steel refrigerators were in that look.
That's pretty weird looking airplane there. Just all aluminum, no paint.
I thought that whole motor rotated.
Wow. Made in the USA. Huh. Wonder why they stopped doing stuff like that. Now look at the pilot. It's funny.
Somebody's a fan of that damn movie. Please inflate the pilot. She's in there believing, you know what?
Wow, look at that. That is so cool.
My name ain't Troy.
Anybody recognize that guy? Yes. Oh, was that the autopilot?
Yeah, it was autopilot.
Autopilot.
Movie airplane.
Oh, look at that.
Shouldn't have had the fish.
That is so cool, getting this close up to them and looking at them. I think it was worth coming out here.
Yeah.
Shame the truck had to screw up today. Now, who would have figured a Dodge truck would have? Oh, look at the wire on this one.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, the pilot sits in the back,
Yeah.
passenger sits in the front.
That'd be like having an automobile and putting the steering wheel in the back seat. Oh God, now I want to do that photo an idiot on YouTube. You can do that stuff.
That guy already did that. Then he put a mannequin in the front seat and went through the drive-through.
Yeah, but it was a new car. You couldn't. I don't think you had the steering wheel in the back seat of the car. And drive the car from the trunk.
What?
They just put a bunch of cameras around the car and put the steering wheel in the trunk, climb inside the trunk, close the trunk lid. Put the steering wheel in the trunk. There'd be nobody driving a car down the road.
I like.
You watching that video, or am I the one I want to see now on YouTube?
What's that?
The guy made an Alvarado torch lamp on YouTube. He was using D-cell batteries. He kept breaking the D-cell batteries open to get the Alvarado things out of. He took a barbecue grill and he put a bunch of lenses in it. Like one of those old TVs, those ones that had the meals in them. And then he took the generator, alternator, and one of those battery banks with him. On YouTube, and he took that whole thing down there with him. He's like, I'm taking my welder for a walk. He was in Australia and he took it to one of those old bases.
Which one new one did you see? Golden Doodle or the? I think so. Now the one I got now is the Yorkie. You got new dogs?
What exactly is the Mile High Club?
Oh God.
See it in the back of the seat cushion. Oh.
And I had the one that one neighbor got. He was
Well, sorry guys, but this video might be just a tiny bit longer than your low attention span videos. Hard to say that.
That's what happened here. Why let it gas in the pit?
Oh, we got a Waco. Doing good. Oh, Waco, huh?
I always wonder how they do that anyway.
What?
Mix lead in the gas. Lead's a solid material. You just grind it into a powder. I think lead's solid in gas.
Guy filling up his plane. I bet you that's cheap.
All you needed? Yeah, I'm an hour south of here.
Yeah, so, but she said that he's not.
Yeah, he's gonna have it from point one down. He said it's okay. Watch it, it don't shut off. It kept.
Well,
Good. I'm doing great this morning. How you doing?
You know,
Searchlight's cool.
yeah, Searchlight is cool.
Yeah, but I doubt it will change.
Well, we haven't been doing any biplane rides because the ceilings are still too low. And we do have a couple things going around 11 sort of have to and we'll start having more
Yeah, that is really cool.
It's probably gonna be something though.
Look at those seats in there, ain't that sweet?
Yeah.
Dang. I wonder if new airplanes, all the interiors come in one color, black.
airplanes. But most of these airplanes here, we have a few leave already, but pilots are usually standing close to, so feel free to ask questions. Do not let, don't get in the airplane without talking to someone. Don't let your kids get in the aircraft without having someone there. That would happen. So please be respectful to the aircraft. We have a couple people
Oh, what do we hear? It's a jet
United States.
powering up over there. A radio controlled airplane. You can hear a little jet motor in it.
People drive up even from Florida. So right now we have
Wow.
Chris Fry out here on the flight line
Looks
with
like a
the
Honda
RC jet,
Gold.
radio control
Turned
jet.
into a helicopter.
Starting it up, I can hear it running.
Looking at this thing makes me nervous just seeing it sitting here on the ground. I couldn't imagine being in that thing up in the air.
Yeah.
He's flying full. The motor will be running over 100,000.
You guys ever wonder what happened to those old Volkswagens? Well, they turned them
Why does
into
that look like a Chrysler alternators?
Oh, look at the little alternator. That does look like a Chrysler alternator.
Stacks in out. This jet flies just like a real full-size aircraft. This isn't a real small miniature aircraft. It's a real thing.
Oh, look at that light on the side there. I'll get some of those, put them on the car. Oh, what happened?
Crash.
Oh no.
So something
Now that sucks.
looks like a landing gear or something failed.
Oh, poof.
Ah, that's the same crap we go through.
A little bit
Hey.
of a fuel issue. So hopefully he can fix that and get it going
Shoot.
and fly. And hopefully he didn't damage it. But like I said, Chris and I have been friends for a very long time. In high school, we used to pylon race kind of all over the area. And we'll see who's up next. Connie just flew a really nice extra 300.
Oh, look at the propeller.
Pedal planes. At 2 o'clock, we'll do pedal plane pylon racing.
You like to have a piece of wood out in front of you if there's a propeller zipping around. Yeah, I know. It just looks kind of.
Like a Beautful engine on a car. Yeah, well, I don't
Hey,
know
Donnie,
why anybody's got it.
can you come here for one quick one?
Aggravates me.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we probably got here just in time. They're all probably just gonna leave.
That was probably more of them, Bill. That's cool.
Yeah. That's just how it works. Like when we went to the world's largest gathering of the Model Ts.
Yeah, it's Saturday. We're going home.
Yeah, Saturday we showed up early in the morning, and there's like about 4 of them, and they were all they were packing up and leaving. It's like what the hell? Oh, it was Thursday and Friday. That way the people who work for a living can't enjoy the world's largest gathering of Model Ts.
He's up right here. Are you ready?
Is this just a show? Mommy, is this just a show off?
What about that Rocco when they have their air show? I bet they get a lot more customers if they stop charging so much to go in.
Yeah, we want to go to that Waco Museum. We're just gonna have to break down and empty out our bank account so we can afford to go in there and look at the museum. It's not one of those museums where they got no people inside their museum and they charge an incredibly large amount of money and they can't figure out why and nobody comes to their museum. Alright. Yeah, kayaking without sunscreen. Yeah, sorry about that, folks. You didn't need to see that.
That hard.
Alright. Alright, nice little gathering.
Yeah.
Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If something else happens, we'll probably break back in and do a little bit more filming, but meantime, thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, catch you guys later.